Now, this video is going to be part C of the part 13 series about the drone parts. Now, this might be a little more complex to explain. This is the propeller video, obviously, as you can see from the title. Now, let's say this is a flat plane, and this is another flat plane. Now, a propeller looks like this. And that's because this is the center point where it's attached to the motor. When it spins, it has to push the air downwards. So if it's flat, the air is just going to go through it. But if it's like this way, if it's vertical, air is going to hit and it's not going to be able to spin because of so much resistance. So it has a perfect angle where the air can go down and above it like this, and enough that it can actually push air down. And that's how propellers work. And in my drone, what they do is they attach to the motor, they spin, and they push air down. Kind of like a fan does, yeah. So thanks for watching, everybody. M. Smith out.